Transform your video calls and streams from grainy to glorious by turning your Nikon D3500 into a professional-grade webcam for your PC. First, gather your essential gear: your Nikon D3500 camera, a compatible USB cable, usually the one that came with your camera, on a way to power your camera for extended use. This could be an AC adapter and dummy battery, or simply ensuring your camera battery is fully charged. If you're only doing shorter broadcasts, connect your Nikon D3500 to your PC using its USB cable. Make sure it's securely plugged into both the camera and a USB port on your computer. Now, power on your camera. Navigate through your D3500's menu, look for the Setup or Preferences section, and find the USB settings. Select PC Connect or PC Remote mode. This is crucial for your computer to recognize the camera as a connected device. Next, you'll need Nikon's Webcam utility software. Head to the official Nikon website and search for Webcam utility for your specific camera model. Download and install this free software onto your PC. Once installed, open the Nikon Webcam utility. Your D3500 should be automatically detected. If not, ensure your camera is in PC Connect mode and try restarting the software. Now, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application like Zoom, Skype, or OBS Studio. In the application's video settings, select Nikon Webcam utility as your camera source. You might need to restart your application for the change to take effect. Your Nikon D3500 is now your webcam. You can now control camera settings like focus, exposure, and white balance directly through your camera's physical controls or Nikon's proprietary software for the best image quality. For optimal results, ensure your camera is on a tripod for stability and positioned at eye level. Good lighting is your best friend. Use natural light or a dedicated ring light to make your feed truly shine. Experiencing issues: common culprits include using the wrong USB mode on your camera, an outdated webcam utility, or a faulty USB cable. Try a different USB port, rebooting your PC, and double-checking all connections and settings. With these steps, you've unlocked the power of your DSLR for superior online communication. Enjoy your crystal clear, professional video.